Mazda just unveiled the all-new 2026 CX-5 with updates that are transforming their best-selling SUV from the ground up. If you've been waiting for Mazda to address the cramped rear seats, outdated technology, and lack of hybrid options that held the previous generation back, this redesign is answering every one of those concerns. We're breaking down 7 incredible changes to the 2026 Mazda CX-5, so let's get started. Number 7. It's bigger than before. One of the most significant changes Mazda is implementing with the 2026 CX-5 involves its physical footprint. The new model is growing substantially compared to its predecessor, and this expansion is bringing tangible benefits that customers have been requesting for years. The wheelbase has stretched by 3 inches, while overall length increases by 4.5 inches. Anyone who's driven 3 kids to soccer practice knows the nightmare of cramped rear seats and complaints from the back row. The rear seat is gaining class-leading knee and legroom, addressing one of the most common complaints about the outgoing model. We're talking about the difference between your teenagers complaining about leg space and actually being comfortable during a family vacation. The cargo area is benefiting significantly from these dimensional changes. Mazda is adding 2 inches of length to the cargo floor and raising the height by 1 inch. The liftover height drops by ½ an inch, making it easier to load heavy items without straining your back. The rear door openings are also enlarging, which matters when you're wrestling with a child seat. Despite growing larger, the CX-5 is maintaining its refined proportions. But extra space means nothing if the technology inside feels outdated, which brings us to the next transformation. Number 6. Modern interior. While the previous CX-5 generation aged remarkably well, the technology inside was starting to show its age. Mazda recognized this gap and is making a radical departure from its traditional approach to cabin design. The centerpiece of this transformation is a massive touchscreen, the largest Mazda has ever installed. Upper trims are getting a 15.6-inch display, while base models receive a 12.9-inch unit. For years, the company required users to operate systems via a rotary dial on the center console. That controller is gone completely. The new infotainment is powered by Google built-in, bringing native integration of Google Maps, Google Assistant, and access to the Google Play Store. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. If you've ever fumbled with that rotary controller trying to adjust the radio while driving, you'll understand why this change matters. The new system responds instantly to touch inputs, just like your smartphone. A fully digital instrument cluster is joining the lineup as well, replacing the analog speedometer and tachometer. The steering wheel receives a complete redesign with a flatter airbag cover and streamlined buttons. In an interesting branding shift, Mazda lettering replaces the traditional logo on both the steering wheel and the tailgate. The cabin is modernizing dramatically, but the exterior is where Mazda is really making a visual statement. Number 5. All-new exterior design. The exterior transformation strikes a balance between evolution and revolution. Mazda is keeping the CX-5 instantly recognizable while incorporating modern design elements that align it with the brand's larger CX-70 and CX-90 models. The front end adopts Mazda's latest interpretation of its Kodo design language. Headlights are becoming slimmer and feature updated LED technology housed in dark, recessed units. The grille is wider and more sculpted, surrounded by glossy black trim that extends to the lower fascia, wheel arches, and side skirts. This treatment helps differentiate it from competitors like the Subaru Forester and Nissan Rogue. The side profile benefits from the stretched wheelbase and increased length, creating more elegant proportions. The roofline flows smoothly into a redesigned rear end where slim, darkened taillights stretch across the tailgate. The styling is fresh and attractive, but what's powering this redesigned package is where things get interesting. Number 4. Proven powertrain. Under the hood, Mazda is taking a conservative but logical approach. The 2026 CX-5 is launching with the familiar 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine that has powered countless Mazdas over the past 15 years. This power plant generates 187 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque. Some might question why Mazda isn't introducing a more powerful engine at launch. The answer lies in customer behavior and proven reliability. Approximately 90% of CX-5 buyers choose the base engine over the turbocharged option. This naturally aspirated 2.5-liter is a really mature and very reliable engine, and Mazda believes it's the perfect powertrain to start with. There's something to be said for simplicity in an era of increasingly complex vehicles. When your check engine light comes on at 80,000 miles because a turbocharger actuator failed, you start appreciating basic bulletproof engineering. This 2.5-liter engine has been running reliably in hundreds of thousands of Mazdas for nearly 15 years. Mechanics know it inside and out. Parts are readily available and affordable. The turbocharger turbocharged 2.5-liter that offered 256 horsepower won't be available at launch. All-wheel drive remains standard across the entire CX-5 lineup. Mazda's intelligent all-wheel drive system splits power 60-40 front to rear under normal conditions, optimizing both fuel economy and handling dynamics. But reliability is only part of the story, because Mazda is preparing something entirely new for those seeking better fuel economy. Number 3. Hybrid is coming. While the base engine carries over at launch, Mazda is making a significant push toward electrification with an all-new hybrid system. This development represents one of the most important changes in the CX-5's history. The hybrid will be entirely developed in-house by Mazda, which is a crucial distinction. For comparison, the CX-50 currently offers a hybrid option, but that system comes directly from Toyota. Mazda hasn't released specific details about the new hybrid powertrain yet, but expectations are high. The system should deliver more power than the base gasoline engine while achieving significantly better fuel efficiency. Given that competitors like the redesigned 2026 Toyota RAV4 are going hybrid only, Mazda needs this electrified option to remain competitive. Mazda is gambling that its brand loyalty and the strength of its redesigned CX-5 will carry it through until the hybrid arrives. This isn't just about fuel economy, it's about creating a hybrid that drives like a Mazda. Speaking of driving like a Mazda, the transmission choice reveals just how committed the company is to reliability over complexity. Number 2. Transmission that works. In an era where many automakers are rushing to 8, 9, and even 10-speed automatic transmissions, Mazda is sticking with its proven 6-speed automatic. This might sound like old news, but for reliability-focused buyers, it's actually great news. The 6-speed automatic has been in Mazda's lineup for years, and it has established an outstanding track record for dependability. While Mazda has made some minor updates to improve refinement, the fundamental design remains unchanged. That's intentional, and it's smart. Anyone who's owned a vehicle with a problematic transmission knows the headache and expense involved. We're talking about repair bills that can easily hit 5 figures. Modern transmissions have become increasingly complex. Dual-clutch transmissions can be jerky in traffic. CVTs can feel disconnected. 8 and 9-speed automatics sometimes search for gears. Mazda's 6-speed doesn't suffer from these issues. The transmission shifts smoothly, responds predictably to throttle inputs, and requires minimal maintenance over its lifespan. For buyers who plan to keep their CX-5 for 10 years or 200,000 miles, that proven durability is worth more than an extra gear or marginally better EPA numbers. This focus on proven technology is smart, but Mazda isn't standing still when it comes to engine development. Number 1. Next-generation gas engine. Here's where things get really interesting. While many automakers are abandoning traditional gasoline engines, Mazda is doubling down on internal combustion technology with an all-new generation of engines. Mazda is developing its Skyactiv Z engine family, which will eventually replace the current Skyactiv G units. These next-generation power plants feature a revolutionary combustion method called Lambda 1, which achieves the ideal air-to-fuel ratio where all oxygen is consumed during combustion with no excess air remaining. This combustion technology promises significant improvements in thermal efficiency, translating into better power delivery, enhanced fuel economy, and lower emissions without relying on electrification. While Mazda hasn't confirmed exactly when the Skyactiv Z engines will appear in the CX-5, the company's commitment to developing cutting-edge gasoline technology shows they're not ready to give up on traditional engines. Unlike Toyota, which has pivoted entirely to hybrids in the compact SUV segment, Mazda believes gasoline-only vehicles still have an important role to play. The company is investing heavily in making those engines cleaner, more efficient, and more powerful through advanced engineering. This next-generation engine should maintain similar displacement to the current 2.5-liter unit, but with substantially improved performance and efficiency characteristics. Mazda typically doesn't downsize engines aggressively, preferring to optimize displacement rather than relying on forced induction that can compromise long-term reliability. The development of Skyactiv Z represents Mazda's contrarian philosophy, a willingness to invest in technology other manufacturers are abandoning. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 is shaping up to be a thoughtful evolution of an already successful formula. Mazda is addressing the previous generation's weaknesses, tight rear seat space, aging technology, and lack of electrification, while preserving the driving dynamics and build quality that made the CX-5 popular in the first place. Mazda is betting that its proven 2.5-liter engine, bulletproof 6-speed transmission, and the promise of next-generation combustion technology will keep buyers interested. For those who value reliability over bleeding-edge features, the 2026 CX-5 represents a compelling package that refuses to follow the industry's rush toward complexity. And as we are talking about reliability, don't forget to check out our video about the genius changes on the 2026 Toyota RAV4. If you thought the world's largest automaker would play it safe with its bestseller, prepare to be impressed. Toyota has made some of the boldest moves in the RAV4's history.